ye kaunti ya Homa Bay gikubwatirana n'iri shirikari ya AIDS Healthcare Foundation nigo yatwarire umusangirikano Obosemia abantu igoro y'oburoire Bw'Enyamoreo asigeti kia Onundo sub-county ya Mbita ene nchire yemo yokubwatirana n'ensengima eliokorwa Obosemia igoro y'oburoire Bw'Enyamoreo unagutumanya omulikeito Wycliffe Orenge
na segeti kia Onundo Stadium Mbita county ya Homa Bay. Abu serikali ya county ya Homa Bay yekubwatirana n'iri shirikari ya AIDS Healthcare Foundation barigania umusangirikano bukuru Obosemia gotia asamenyi bensemeyo ikuru y'ekinchera chindonge cyo gwetanga kurwa asobwerania obuburire Bw'Enyamoreo buna enchera yemo yokubwatirana n'iki serikali chinde lekulinyora litukuri Enyamoreo ensengima.
Celebrating World AIDS Day today, and we are graduating around 20 gone through the HIV prevention program. With the funding cut, most of them have faced off. They're not here, and we are really standing with the children where to take them because they were supporting school fees, and also they were supporting the households with economic empowerment.
HF Kenya is an non-governmental organization that is based in Kenya. Since some years back, our mission statement is to provide cutting-edge medicine and advocacy regardless of ability to pay. We are striving to have all our clients who are on care to have a better life regardless of being able to pay.
Babwatani bekyombe kya HF niko bate babunani go balinega ngenene yokuru Obosemia nabo igogosira gokolengwa kuburoire obwo Bw'Enyamoreo.
So today, being World AIDS Day 2025, our theme is ending the triple threat. Triple threat generally talks about the young people. We are striving to end new HIV infections, we're striving to end teenage pregnancies, we're trying to end sexual and gender-based violence. The steps that we put in place to ensure that the triple threat is handled well include, and not limited to, sensitization of the youth, providing of information. We have HIV testing and counseling, provision of condom use, provision of medication, that is ARV medication, and of course preventive medication including PrEP.
County ya Homa Bay nega TH county chiria chibwate kerenge kanene kyoborire Bw'Enyamoreo sorogongo rwa Nyanza.
The prevalence for HIV in Homa Bay County is at 10.6, and people living with HIV/AIDS in Homa Bay is around 126,000, of which we have kids, children who are also living with HIV/AIDS. Around 8,000 children are living with HIV/AIDS.
Abantu bonsi nigo basemigwe gwetanga kurwa asobwerania buburire Bw'Enyamoreo anene kigima asogotumeka chinchera cyabene buna emepira amo namaliogo.
The program, so right now we are at home but still encouraging those who have not got the infection to keep themselves safe, and we are telling them to use condom correctly and constantly.
Egati ya bari barware to boroiro obwo nigo baererana kuri Obosemia igoro y'ichenchera kibabere bakomenyana ko barenda abande kurwa aso kwambokerwa oboroiro obwe.
And ever since, I've never been stigmatized. I've never regretted being positive. And there are things that have really made me to reach where I am. One of it is self-awareness. I created my own self-awareness. I did not wait for anyone to come and encourage me, because this is the target group, the young people. I want to encourage the young people to go know their status. It's healthy, it's important, and once you are found positive, you will start this journey, and if you accept it, you will work and you will live positively, and you will live healthy, just like any other person.
Ngima litukuri rero nigo lyarengerio gochengera abantu bari barete oburire Bw'Enyamoreo nabwo kubasemia bange igoro y'echinchera cyabene cyo gwetanga kurwa ase oburire obwe asegetiye kiga kyondo stadium kikotoka asensemo ya Mbita county ya Homa Bay nigo abantu nabagwatani abanyakwa bagwikirana gaiga elindo kubasemia abamenyi bensemeye igoro y'echinchera chindonge cyo gwetanga kurwa soburire obwe Bw'Enyamoreo bingo reporter ya Ensoko TV kurwa gaiga Mbita county ya Homa Bay letariane Wycliffe Orenge.